Good morning. The Honorable State of Finance Sri Jayan Sinha ji, Special Secretary Srimati Snehata Srivastav, Chairman PEFDA Sri Hemanji Contractor, Country Director World Bank Mr. Honorul, my colleague Sri Burma, our associates in the NPS system and APY, officials of government departments, and the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks to our distinguished dignitaries on behalf of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. At the outset, I would like to express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Minister of State for Finance for sparing his valuable time during this busiest month of February when the Ministry of Finance is busy in the budget preparation, for releasing our reference book on national pension system, for distributing the prizes to the achievers in the Atal Pension Yojana, and for giving the inaugural address on the second pension conclave. Sir, you have very aptly put that the government is seriously concerned about providing or building universal social security, encompassing income support, insurance, pension, with a series of products to provide coverage to every single Indian by empowering people to take ownership of the program. Sir, we are a financial sector regulator with social responsibility for social protection. This is a gigantic task. It is not merely a financial intermediation. And as you have already mentioned, sir, that lack of awareness and understanding about the financial product requires huge effort, both by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, by our associates present here, and by the government. Sir, your words will guide us in steering the pension agenda from the metros, the capital cities, and the service classes to the unorganized sector in the remotest villages of the country. We are delighted to have the conference would not have been possible without the dedicated and sustained hard work of all my colleagues from PEFDA. I thank each one of them for making this event a success. Last but not the least, I thank the India Habitat Center and other service providers for their cooperation and support. I thank you all once again. Thank you very much.